Ever dreamed of a home that changes with your mood? Welcome to Faith Home, your personal space in the metaverse, where you're the designer, the vibe setter, and the boss. Walk into your fully interactive virtual home, complete with a stylish living room, cozy sitting areas, and a sleek dining zone. Your MetaHuman buddy is always there to hang out, chat, or even help you explore. Want a chill Sunday setup? Or maybe a bold party look? You decide. Change your wallpapers, switch up the furniture, adjust the lighting, and set the mood with tons of custom options, all in real time. This isn't just a virtual house. It's your world, your vibe, and your freedom to create. And it's only getting smarter, cooler, and more personal. Your future lifestyle starts here, at Faith Meta. Land, go explore it, make it yours.